So after getting the Vantrue E1, it seems to make sense to hardwire it in. That way you can use the parking monitor features. So I've ordered it. First time from Amazon it got lost, it didn't arrive, so they refunded it. I had to order it again. And the same thing has happened with the polarizing filter. So I don't know what the issues are with the company that's selling these, or whether it purely is an Amazon delivery issue, but exactly the same thing has happened with the polarizer. Should have been delivered a couple of days ago. It's marked as being late, and all you can do is ask for a refund, which I've got, and a reorder. So it's pretty annoying and a bit of a waste of time, but eventually got the Dashcam hardware kit, or hard wiring kit. I'm going to have a quick look and see what is inside. So, Dashcam USB-C hardwire user guide. This is in a couple of languages by the looks of it. This will cut off when the car battery is too low, and so protecting the battery. Let's have a look. So there is the unit, and we have a battery under voltage protection switch there. I don't know whether you can see that or not, and you can select either 12 volts or 20, so it's 12 or 24 volts, and if you slide it across the other way it's 11.6 and 23.2. so that is interesting. I'll leave it on 12 at the moment. Fairly long cable with the USB, and then we've got the connections here. So we've got a ground and a live, and depending on the fuse box situation, it comes with 3 types of fuse. So I'm guessing that we would call these micro, mini and standard blades. As you can see, obviously just pick the one that your fuse box requires. I've no idea, I haven't checked mine yet. Actually, we've got that one, this one, and that one. So one of them hopefully will fit a Honda Civic. You need to find a permanent live in the fuse box. I'm hoping that's possible. So yeah, we will have a look at that. So yeah, really there is nothing else to it. Very simple instruction booklet. Hopefully the wires are long enough. Generally most cars will have an under the dashboard fuse box, and obviously under the bonnet fuse box as well, so I'm hoping we will be able to get to the under the dashboard one. So we will fit that and report back.